Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are decorating my creative journal, which is called Sophisticated Florals, and it's going to be for the week of November 7th through the 13th. As you can see, I have a sticker book pulled up, so we are using the brand new Deep Botanicals sticker book. It has a lovely dark moody stickers that I can't resist, so that's what we're doing. This particular planner, it is a classic size happy planner, by the way, and it does run till end of December. And you guys, I have stock in this planner whole year. That and my well, a few of them actually. I am like so astonished myself because I usually switch planners mid-gear, so kind of fun to know that you can stick with it. I think because these are so neutral, it was much easier for me to stick with them. I didn't have to cover too much and I could just go with the flow. And Sophisticated Florals and Beauty and Florals, the dividers were so stunning. I couldn't find anything that I liked more. So today I am going to be sticking with mostly greenery and maybe not as much flowers as normally. So if you guys want to see a spread with flowers with this, I'll be doing it at another time. Today is going to be mostly leaves and plants. It's just what I'm feeling. I mean, I added that sidebar thing, but I think that's going to be the extent of actual flowers in here, and the rest will be very like greenery. So I am adding this rounded box for journaling for myself, so I can write what's going on. I do like doing that, so here we go. And if this is your first time in my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. I do a lot of rambling on, so I apologize. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, I am so grateful for you. Thank you for continuing to support me and spending time with me, because I really enjoy when you guys do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple boxes of journaling for myself so I can go ahead and write stuff in. Like I said, this spread will be dark and moody, so be prepared for that. That's kind of where I'm going with this. I am going to be doing lots of layering, so if you're into that, stay tuned. Okay, look at the washi. Ooh, can we use washi? Plant washi? Yes, I think so. Let's add that one to the bottom. And again, no matchy-matchy, so we'll do a small piece on the top, I think, like so. Okay. And now everything is linked somehow, and great. So I do have something to do on Saturday that I can write in one of these boxes, and then I can journal about it. So there we go. And I think I am going to be using a black and green colored pens for this. So as always, I'm going to be writing in black, but then those like bolded things that I write in there are going to be green and black, I'm pretty sure. I can't wait to show you guys when this is done. I am so excited about this spread, and right now it looks like Mod Podge of stickers, but I don't know, something about plants in my planner is just so soothing and I love it and I can't help it. So that's where I am. So I'm gonna add this tiny page flag right there, and to bring in that different type of plant. I really do like it. I'm gonna add another one of these journaling boxes right there. I have a busy week, so I'm sure I'm going to be writing down quite a bit of my emotions on paper, because that's what happens with me when I have a lot going on. I want to spill my beans onto here. Okay, so I wanted to add some of these decorative circles. I think they're fantastic and they're great pop of color. So I'm kind of playing with placement up here, and I actually like it. I think I can write around it and it's going to be great. Well, hopefully, right? That's the hope here. So I'm gonna add another plant right there in a dark backing. I think that's gonna look pretty great. And then another one up here, kind of mirroring with a different plant, that black, bringing that black background into my planner. And then let's see what else. Do you guys have this sticker book? Have you used it yet? If you did you like your results? I mean, I know it's kind of different, right? These would be great for like a blackout spread too. So I do have more than one of these books. I did purchase a backup because I knew that I love it so much. So I might be using these down the line in like a blackout spread as well. So just bear with me. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. Plant dreams and grow a happy life. And then the other one is how rare and beautiful you are. Okay, I want to use some of these clear backing plants as well. Maybe it's white paper, let's see. No, they're clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove a line right there. And again, I'm using the Ohuhu white gel pen. You can purchase them on Amazon. They work pretty well and they're very inexpensive, so I like them. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a plant right to Sunday right up there, because I feel like that's a little naked, right? Okay, and that completes the spread. I think I am done, and then I can go ahead and write in it once it's all ready. Actually, let's see, should I add another thing? I don't know. Yeah, let's add this bloom right there so it feels more complete, and then I am all done, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon for another video. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye.